All right, we are at the We Are Memory Keepers booth, and we are going to see how the mold press works.
Yeah, hi. So my name is Tavner Carey, and I'm here to demo the mold press machine for Tiffany and Crystal here. So we've taken our plastic sheet, we've put it in our magnetic frame, and we're going to go ahead and put that into our mold press. So there's actually a heating element up here, and that is going to heat the plastic. It's going to soften it, and it's going to allow it to kind of droop down. So we're going to wait about a minute, and when we start to see that droop, it'll be a nice kind of bubble shape. We'll know that it's ready. We've also hooked up our at-home vacuum, so you can use your own vacuum.
Oh, it's right there.
The machine actually comes with a little adapter here, so it's going to fit most hose diameters. And then you can put whatever object you want to in the machine. So we've been playing around with shells. We have some Lego bricks and stamps. People have been taking different, post-it notepads or bottle caps, putting dimensional alphabet stickers on them. But really, you can be so creative with this. We've taken potatoes and carved them down to different shapes. Whatever you can put in the machine, you can create a mold out of it. So, okay, I think we're about halfway there on the plastic. And once you have the mold, then of course, there's unlimited options, whether you're making chocolate or candles or soap or using it for jewelry. There's home decor applications. People have mentioned cosplay applications. Of course, there's paper crafting applications as well. People are they're actually using the plastic itself, not using it as a mold, but using it to make like shaker cards or light strand covers. So really the list goes on and on. It's a tool that lets the maker think outside the box and realize their vision. All right, so it's pretty much ready. You can see how it's drooped down there, and we're gonna turn our vacuum on. And we lowered it down, and between the heated plastic and the suction of the vacuum, it has formed around our object that we put in here. Now, Tiffany and Crystal wanted to see a key. And so here we have the key, and you can see it even caught some of the little details of the words and the texture there.
Cool.
So it gives really great detail, and now they could use that as a mold to create whatever they wanted to.
That's pretty cool. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Oh my God.